Good morning, everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Genesis chapter 4, verse 13 to 16. And Cain said unto the Lord, my punishment is greater than I can bear. Behold, thou hast driven me out this day from the face of the earth, and from thy face shall I be hid, and I shall be a fugitive and a vagabond in the earth. And it shall come to pass that everyone that findeth me shall slay me. And the Lord said unto him, therefore, whoever slay Cain, vengeance shall be taken in him sevenfold. And the Lord set a mark upon Cain, lest any finding him should kill him. And Cain went out to the presence of the Lord and dwelt in the land of Nod, the east of Eden. So, this is the actual punishment of Cain in killing his brother Abel. So, he became a fugitive and, and he lived in the land of Nod, meaning God is still care for Cain and for him to change his ways. And even he promised even Cain that no one will kill him.